Hello everyone. As you know that installation of industrial equipment in process industries depends on size and overall equipment design. If the equipment is too large, it will lead to large footprint, whereas smaller equipment will lead to earlier failure as it must produce more work. Therefore, properly designed equipment is essential for the production of high quality and cost effective products. So, to discuss the concept of process design of equipment, here I am Shabina Khanam, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Roorkee. I am offering an online certification course on process equipment design under NPTEL program. The purpose of this course is to present the methods and procedures adopted in design of process equipment. The emphasis here is on study of actual process conditions such as temperature, pressure, etc., under which the equipment is expected to perform are specified. So, in this course, main emphasis will be on design of equipment for chemical industries. So, you see all equipment which we are going to select will be related to chemical process only. The hierarchy of chemical industry can be represented by onion diagram. As you can see here, this is the onion diagram where the main equipment such as reactor, separator, heat exchanger network and utility system are shown through different layers of onion diagram. Now, as far as this particular course is concerned, the equipment which we are going to design, these equipments are shell and tube heat exchanger, condenser, reboiler, crystallizer, evaporator, distillation column and packed column. So these are main equipment which considers in chemical industry, and each of these equipment will be related to a particular layer of onion diagram, such as shell and tube heat exchanger can be related to heat exchanger network, and so the condenser as well as reboiler, because all these are heat exchangers only. Crystallizer and evaporators are related to heat exchanger as well as separator, because it separates solvents from the solution. And further, distillation column and pack column are related to separator. Okay, so when you will study this course, you will get the skills so that you can contribute in different layers of chemical industries. Okay, the duration of this course is 12 weeks, where 60 lectures will be covered and each lectures will be around 30 minutes. Now, as far as audience is concerned, the target audience is basically undergraduate students of chemical engineering. However, this course will also be helpful for those who have substantial industrial experience while working in chemical processes and designing process equipment. And as far as prerequisite is concerned, you should have the knowledge of heat transfer and mass transfer before studying this course. During the course, assignments will be given to you which you have to solve and submit back, and these assignments will be evaluated and marked at our end. At the end, online examination will be conducted for those who are interested in getting certificates. And so, I request you all to please join me in this course. Thank you.